Suddenly, I realized that these two children had given me a profound lesson in getting on with the business of living. Because the business of living is joy in the real sense of the word, not just something for pleasure, amusement, recreation. The business of living is the celebration of being alive. So, what he says, yes, amusement, pleasure and recreation, they are needed in life. அது வாழ்க்கையில் அவசியம்தான். ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியங்களும் அதிசயங்களும் வாழ்க்கையை நம்ம எதிர்பார்த்து வாழ்கிறது ஓகே தான். பட் அதுதான் வாழ்க்கை அப்படின்றது இல்லை. ஓகே, we have sufferings, we have tragedies in life, but we live, right? We are alive, right? We are not dead. We have life in it. That is even a celebration. அதுவே ஒரு பெரிய மகத்தான காரியம், அதுவே ஒரு celebration தான். So we must not be fed up with ourselves. We must not be fed up with the sufferings. Okay, நான் நல்லா படிக்கவே மாட்டேன்றேன், எனக்கு ஒன்றும் வர மாட்டேன்றது, என்னால் ஒன்றுமே முடியல. You should not have a pessimist thought. Okay, you must not have negative thoughts. You are alive. நீங்கள் உயிரோடு இருக்கிறீங்க. So many people have passed away in this year, right? And so many people die before they reach the age of 1. So many people die before they reach the age of 5. And so many people are born with physical problems, visually impaired, physically handicapped. There are so many problems, right? Some people are born with holes in their hearts, their lungs do not work properly. Some people are born with cancer. There are so much diabetic patients, there are so many pressure patients, they have high blood pressure. Okay, so people have varieties of diseases. We are alive, right? We are alive. There are so many people suffering, but we are alive. So we must celebrate the life we have. Okay, I had been looking at suffering from the wrong end. You don't become a better person because you are suffering, but you become a better person because you have experienced suffering. We cannot appreciate life if we haven't known darkness, nor we can appreciate warmth if we have never suffered cold. These children showed me that it's not what you have lost that's important. What's important is what you have left. Very touching paragraph. Okay, so he says that இருட்டை நீங்கள் அனுபவிச்சாதான் வெளிச்சத்தோட அருமை உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Only if you come across sufferings and troubles in your life, you will be able to enrich, you will be able to feel the victory. கஷ்ட நஷ்டங்களெல்லாம் கடந்து வந்தால் தான் வெற்றியின் அருமை உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். இருளை பார்த்தா தான் வெளிச்சத்தோட அருமை தெரியும். So he says that don't worry about what is not there. Be happy about what you have. எது இல்லையோ அதை நினச்சி வருத்தப்படக்கூடாது. எது உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கோ அதை நினச்சி நீ சந்தோஷப்படணும். You must be happy with what you have, and you must not worry all the time with what you don't have. Okay, so you must enjoy life, you must celebrate life, because you are living. You are not dead, you are living. So you must celebrate life. So that is the strong message that he is trying to convey us. Okay, so this is a very little portion. So there was a technical glitch in the last video. There was some technical problem in the last video, so suddenly it had stopped, and that is why the remaining part I taught you in this video. So this is a very, very short video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, and kindly read this lesson once again for a better understanding. So the homework for you is that there are some glossaries, there are some synonyms given in page number 70. I want you to write each synonym thrice. Each synonym you have to write thrice. Okay, 3 தடவை எழுதணும். Try to learn these words. In the words சும்மா மார்க்குக்காக மட்டும் படிக்க கூடாது. You have to learn and you have to use them. Use these words while you are speaking. Okay, so you must use these words. You must add it in your vocabulary. Okay, so that your English is rich, so that you speak a rich language. Okay, rich, which is lots of new vocabulary words. Okay, so thank you so much.